In front of me is HONOR X7A, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings on this HONOR. First of all, go into Devices Settings and tap on Sounds and Vibration. Now you can click on Vibration at the top, and this way mute your device completely, leaving only vibrations. If you want to, you can also scroll down, click on Phone Ringtone, and select Vibration section for SIM 1 and SIM 2. Then you can click on one of those vibration patterns to apply the best one for you, like swing. You can also disable vibrations completely by selecting None at the bottom. When you finished, tap on the back button twice, tap on Notification Tone, and do exactly the same for your notifications. Then go back one more time. Lastly, tap on More Settings at the bottom and click on this switcher next to Vibrate when ringing to enable or disable incoming calls vibrations. Then tap on this switcher next to System Haptics to switch on or off vibrations for key system events and interactions. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!